Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's make a Kerala recipe with a very interesting ingredient, that is banana stem. I am not sure how many of you watching this video know about it. Today, I will show you how to peel it and cut it for further use. This is my first attempt and because of its health benefits, had to try this out. So, when you cut the stem, you will notice very thin thread-like thing that needs to be separated out. Easiest way is to roll these onto your index finger after every cut you make on the stem. Let's peel the stem first. Make a long slit, not too deep, across the whole length of the stem. Then follow as shown in the video to peel off the outer cover of the stem. Now as shown in the video, cut the stem into slices and after every slice, pull out the thread. This is a time-taking process and you can keep the cut slices in water mixed with turmeric. Once the stem is sliced as needed, wash it and chop it in small pieces. As today, we are going to use the banana stem to make thoran. I am also using boiled green lentils, 2 green chilies, 8 to 10 shallots, 5 to 6 garlic, coconut pieces, or you can use grated coconut instead. In a pan, just add the chopped banana stems with little salt. Cover and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Do not add water as the stem already has lots of moisture to allow the cooking. Now in a grinding jar, take coconut, shallots, garlic, green chilies, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, little salt and 1/4 teaspoon cumin. Grind everything well but not too smooth or pasty. Once the banana stem is soft, add the coconut mix to the pan along with boiled green lentils. Mix everything well. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes. You can use boiled yellow lentils as well. Make sure to not overcook it. Now make a tempering as you prefer. I have used mustard seeds, red rice, urad dal along with red chili. I missed to add curry leaves. Do feel free to add that as well. Add the tempering to the pan, mix everything well, and your Vazha Pindi Thoran is ready. You can have this as a side dish with rice, or it tastes perfect with kanji. Do try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you, stay healthy and stay happy.